Hey guys, happy Vlogmas and good morning. Actually, I had been up. I had a client this morning. Oh my god, my hands smell like bleach. And I had to get up at 7. I got my nail station clean and ready for my next client coming. I still have to edit and upload my video from yesterday. I feel like I have a lot to do today, y'all. I took my wig off last night. I plan on re-putting it back on, but not like no flawless install. But I need to do that tonight, so I'm really not in a rush because I could just wear my bonnet all day. Also, I need to wash my comforter bedspread because my boyfriend's coming. So I need to wash that and all of my pillowcases and my sheets and stuff. That way I don't have to do it tomorrow, because tomorrow I want my room to be spotless clean. Okay guys, so my client left. Nail space is dirty now. Look at the dust, y'all. But I'm about to get ready for my last nail client. I still have a client coming at 5 for lashes. So yeah, but I need to get this together, y'all. I need to clean my room because my man about to be here tomorrow, and I know I'm not going to feel like cleaning my room tomorrow. So the first thing I think I'm going to do, honestly, because honestly, it's slowing me down. The first thing I'm going to do is get my clean clothes and put them away. And once they're put away, I can start washing my sheets and pillowcases. And then I'm going to wash my comforter last.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you.
Okay guys, so I got all the clothes off my bed finally, so now I can tear apart my bed and start washing it. And then I just need to get the floor ready. I think I might wash some of my blankets too. This is the most cleanest one, so I guess I'll put this pink one in here. I'm gonna install this wig back later.
If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look good like this, not the best idea. Is new girlfriends how I get here. I might kill my friends, I still love you. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom of my.
Okay guys, so I grabbed all my pillowcases, my sheets, and I grabbed one of my extra blankets. So now the only thing I have to wash next is the comforter by itself. And I had gave my dogs my white blanket over there because I kept on messing it up, y'all. This is why I cannot have a white comforter. But I just can't wait to have clean sheets. Okay guys, so I put those on speed wash, and then my comforter is gonna go on heavy duty because I don't ever lay on my sheets, y'all. I only lay on top of my bed to prevent making it because I'm so lazy. So that's why I don't just put them on heavy duty, and it saves me like 30 minutes. So I don't have any extra sheets to put on the bed, so I'm just gonna use that clean blanket to lay down on until my stuff is done. Okay guys, so actually when I was putting up my sheets, I totally forgot that I had a place in my closet for sheets, and I found what I used to use as my bed skirt. I think when I had washed it, I just forgot to put it back on, but I don't feel like putting it back on if I'm being so real. So I'm gonna wait to put it back on when I start making my bed. Well, like once my sheets are done, that way I can lift this mattress up and put it on. I have about like 30 minutes until my client is here. My room is technically done. I just need to, next time I go out, I just need to buy some carpet powder. Y'all see this? So the key is to take it out the foil. I put it on a plate and I damp a piece of paper towel so the burrito can sit up so it's not flat and everything's spilling out. And then after that, I set it down in the foil, y'all. Just like that. That's like the easiest, simplest way to reheat up your Chipotle burrito. Okay guys, so I'm done with all of my nail appointments for today. I just have lashes later on tonight, which I probably won't include into the video. But now that I have this time, I was gonna go later because I was supposed to had squeezed someone in, but something had happened. But all of my stuff is done, so I'm about to go put this load in. But after I fix my clothes, I'm gonna go to Dollar General for some cleaning supplies and air fresheners. Y'all, I literally want to cry, bro. So from the front, my pillow looks fine, but y'all, what the heck happened? Like, look at this. Like, my pillow is ruined. It looks like it got stuck. I think it floated in the up part of the washing machine. I probably should have put the pillow down, but I probably could stitch this up, but it's still gonna lose its square shape. So I'm probably gonna have to start putting a pillowcase over this. I'm just so mad because there's literally nothing wrong with the front, y'all. But I'm not putting this on my bed like this. I'm back. I'm so excited to use this brush, y'all. I got it for Jasper. Let him sniff it. But this is for, it says it's for long curly hair with tough coats. It's supposed to remove it. It's mainly for finishing, but I feel like the small ones I have now be messing up. Like, it be hurting when it tugs. I got this warm apple pie candle. And then I also got this apple pumpkin candle. It smells more stronger, so I think I'm gonna put this one in my room. Well, technically I bought this small one, so I think I'm gonna put the small one in my room because this should last me 2 days. And then I think I'm gonna light this one now, and I guess my other one can be a backup candle. Okay guys, and then I got this pretty, it's like silver glitter Christmas paper. This is so cute, so I'm gonna wrap some of my gifts with that. I got some cleaning stuff today, y'all. You know, we gotta get ready. My man coming. He can't see me looking dirty. I got some bleach foam cleaner for my sink and my bathtub, and then I got me some Windex just so I can clean like all the mirrors. I got me 2 things of carpet powder, y'all. This is the key to really making any room smell good. Like, it's when you walk, it instantly moves, and it's like you're always smelling it. I feel like you probably don't stop smelling it until like a few days, but if you're daily with this, your carpets will smell amazing. I got me this for my toilet, so my toilet can be blue and every flush can be clean. Because I could have sworn I just said blue. Got me some acetone. You know, I always gotta get a little one acetone. Me and my boyfriend are gonna be getting juices and snacks together, but I just got me this because I know I'm gonna need something for the night. Opening these packages. Yes, this came just in time. I needed this. It's like a silver polish. This is either a blanket or a robe. Me and my boyfriend are opening gifts up the 25th, I think, so. Okay, y'all, yeah, this is his robe. Y'all, I expected this to be way bigger, but I got this little toolkit for him, and then I got this for my friend. It's a tortilla blanket. It's literally like sealed and everything, but I'm just gonna drop this in her bag. But I feel like I have enough time to make my bed, so I'm gonna make my bed and then I'm gonna get one of these lit.
With your perfect keys. Now I'm in a phase, man. Man, now on vacation. Now you lay your face down. Got me saying, no, I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Loving you, girl. Just to tell me this, I just want you. And you know what will. I like you, my best. Not the best idea. His new
Okay, guys, bed is made. It's smelling good. Everything's pretty much clean. I just have to put my hamper in my other closet. I still have to clean off that one shelf in my grandma's room, but I'm gonna wait. But yeah, I just have one more lash client, and she's running late. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and bye.